The 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.